The Ford Taurus SHO is a majestic creature, a sight to behold in its natural habitat. These powerful beasts are not content to roam the wilds alone. Once a year, they gather in great numbers. At these conventions, they can show off their plumage and compete for dominance. Taurus SHOs are social creatures, and they enjoy spending time together. They will often form herds, which can number in the dozens. These herds will roam the car show, looking for potential mates and showing off their dominance. SHOs are not just for show. SHOs are powerful and versatile cars, but they are perhaps most at home on the racetrack. Here we see a group of Taurus SHOs competing in a high-stakes race. This SHO has seen better days, but it still manages to keep up. But even the most powerful creatures can sometimes be brought low. This is a reminder that even the best machines can malfunction. SHOs are also very territorial. They will often mark their territory with their scent, and they will defend it against other SHOs. This can lead to some heated displays, such as drag races and burnouts. Here we see an all-too-common sight, a broken SHO. Perhaps a snapped axle, an exploded clutch, or a spun rod bearing. This young SHO will likely be abandoned, but its spirit will live on in other SHOs. This SHO is a solitary creature, but it is not without compassion. It is always willing to help those in need, even if they are not of its own kind. This mechanic is a specialist in Ford cars, and he knows exactly what needs to be done. He is careful and precise, and he takes his time to make sure that the car is repaired properly. The repairs are complete, and the SHO is ready to go. The SHO is now back in its natural habitat, and it is ready to prowl the suburbs once again.